Hello, in this video I am connecting a ESP8266 microcontroller to an soil moisture sensor. So this is the soil moisture sensor I am using. So now we move to coding part. So this is the coding I have written for the soil moisture sensor. I am selecting the board. I am using ESP8266. It will be like Node MCU ESP12E module. So I am selecting the port also. Now I'm going to dump the code. I'm dumping the code to the ESP8266. Now it's getting dumped. Now the code is getting dumped to the ESP8266. So it's getting connecting. Now the code is getting uploading. After uploading, it will come as done uploaded. So then you can check it in the serial monitor. So I'm giving the message as serial print moisture. So then it will sense the value. So now I'm opening serial monitor. So you can see the moisture level. So it's 18 17. Now I'm just pressing it the soil moisture with some humidity. So I'm giving some humidity with my hand itself. So the moisture content will be changing. So because of I can't able to do it in soil, so I'm doing it my hand itself. So thank you.